Baby girl, I'm all up on you. I'ma kiss your forehead, that's true. I be saying prayers for you. Anything when I buy for two. Baby girl, I lie to you never. Cause this thing not forever, forever. And I'm mad, baby. Ale, 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 ale. If them they ask me what they do me, I say nah. Ale, 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 ale. I go love you for life, my Johnny. Them say beautiful ones are not yet gone, but I lie. See as I look into your eyes, I see paradise, you are lying. You fit to me.
Okay, now I need stuff to hand out.
I don't look anybody, I be moving. If you taking me, do anything you choose. Anything if you go blow me.
What's the dumbest excuse you've ever heard of why someone is not wearing their seatbelt?
I'm going right here. It's like only 15 miles per hour.
Oh, I don't have to wear a seatbelt. I'm a good driver. Not only putting yourself at risk, but you're putting your passengers at risk. You're putting the next person at risk. If you might be a good driver, but the person behind you might not be a good driver.
Learning not to distract others whenever, I'm in the passenger seat.
Just make sure that where I am, I'm careful of my surroundings.